off, we're going to lay down a little bit of bacon, about 4 strips, 2 for me and 2 for the wife. Hey, we're out here under our new grilling area. Not finished by no means, but it's a start. We can't wait to get out here, so we're moving things around so I can give up the carport for the car. So I decided to cook breakfast this morning. Well, we'll move this and show you. Right here at the corner of the house, right here, a little short area to that next post. We're going to put a privacy fence there. That should take about 1 panel, maybe a little bit more. And then we're going to go on up to the, along the fence. It's kind of like a triangle shaped property. So we're going to come up to about that post where the gravel ends at. That'll be about 4 panels that way, and then we're going to come back across with about 3 panels to the house. Oh, this bacon sure smells good. I believe this bacon is about done. Now we're going to lay down some hash browns. Oh, using that bacon grease, going to be larraping. All these hash browns shouldn't take too long. Okay, let's see if we can give these a flip. Oh yeah. Looks good. Yeah. That is looking pretty dandy. Here where the grill is setting, when I washed it off a puddle of water, I knew it was low, but I didn't think it was that low, so I had to go back and lift it. I got it pretty level now. Actually, the griddle is level. I put a level on it. It's great. It's working great there. And so that's where it's going to be setting. Let's see if I can show you where I have the smoker. Now this is by no means finished, and I'm going to extend this out another 2 or maybe 3 foot. Give me a little more room. Let's see if we can. Whoop. This is where we have the griddle. So you can tell how wide it is if you have one of these griddles. Of course, the roof goes on out about another 2 foot, I think it is, because it laps over past the post about a foot. And then you can see the bottom of the brick, or the bottom of the paver, I mean the end of the pavers there. And it goes along there. And there's our smoker all covered up. Got it good and clean, ready to go for the next smoke. And now we'll see if we can crack a few eggs to fry up. Oh yeah, look at that cackle fruit. Add a little bit of salt and pepper there. Not SPG, this is just SP. Well, it's actually a little bit windy out here. We'll get a gust and it'll calm down, then we'll get a gust, but we've had so much rain. It needs to dry out just a little bit, but I mean, even a week later trying to mow my lawn, I still leave marks in the lawn because it's wet. Now while them eggs finish cooking, I'm going to show you this area. Now this was where the grass was. It's dark, like I sprayed it off and it's wet there. But actually this is just the gravel I put around here where it was grass and water standing, so I hauled the gravel around here, filled it up. I hauled I don't know how much gravel, and then I put Portland cement over it, made it kind of like what we call screenings. Pack it down, make a good hard surface. But I put a weed barrier down, spread the pea gravel over it, used that little trailer with my lawnmower to haul it around here, and I don't know how many loads I'd haul around here and spread it out. That's a little dump trailer on that mower, but spread it out, put down the Portland cement, wet it down, let it dry. It makes a good hard surface. You know, so the Portland was a dry Portland. They weigh about 100 pounds a piece. I think it's exactly 94, something like that. I just opened the bag, shoveled it around, spread it out with the rake, and then wet it down and let it dry. And then it draw moisture anyways and set up. So it's going to make it a good hard surface there to put yard ornaments on and extend it on out that other 2 foot or 3 foot later on, so that'd give me a good area there, solid area. So this is going to work out pretty good like this. And it's good and solid. It just, while I'm walking on it, it's solid and feels just like a good packed down driveway. Well, those eggs are looking pretty good, getting about ready to flip over. The hash browns and bacon is there. You can see the wind's blowing. Hopefully everything, well, it will. It'll all work out in the end there. But these are going to be good. Well, I got 3 of them here to turn over. This one on the bottom left is still not ready to flip right now. Oh, I busted a yolk. It's all right. It'll eat just the same. I do believe these are done. We'll get them off the griddle and onto the tray there. Well, there you have it, a simple morning breakfast. Eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Couldn't get any simpler than that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, this is the first cook on the new cooking area. We hope to have many more here, and one day it'll be finished. I want to thank each and every one for watching, and have a great day.